Hello guys, good afternoon, good morning, good night, wherever you are watching me in the whole world. Today episode, I want to show you what you need to get to start your makeup, especially we that we are not a makeup artist, beginners, those people trying to know how to do makeup on their face, beginners, makeup people, you that just want to be doing casual makeup at home for videos, for going out, just simple makeup. What you need to have to start this journey with me. Let me show you guys everything, just little, and you are not going to spend up to 30,000 naira. Yes, so first of all, let me show you my brush. So these are my brushes I'm using for my makeup. This is the bag that come with the brushes. You see this bag, that is where all these brushes are. So I got this bag, like this brush, I got it 8,000 naira from a makeup store, an original makeup store. I got it 8,000 naira. So if you want to get something like this, maybe in your side or your country, I don't know how much is in your country, but in Nigeria, maybe your side can get like 5k, 6k, 7k, but I got it 8,000 naira. So these are the brushes there. We have all kind of brushes inside the brush. So these are the brushes. So apart from all this, you can see these are the color brushes I got from them. This one I got to separate. I have this one before at home that I'm using to brush my eyebrow. So I got this foundation brush separate. I got this 3,000 naira in where I am staying. I got this 3,000 naira. It's called Buffing Blush. This is the name. I don't know if you are saying it. This is the name. So I got this separate foundation brush. It's not as if there's no foundation brush on this place, but I don't really like the mouth of the foundation brush on this ones. So I got it. But the rest of the brush I use for all my makeup is here. That is, I differentiate all of them. This is for powder. This is for eyeshadow. This is for blush. This is for contour. We need all this. This is our oil control palette. I also use this palette for powder, oil control, and I use it down here. So this is what I use this palette for. I have this already before, but I think if you want to get this now, you can get this around that 7,000 to 8,000 naira or so. So this is a glow kit. It's not that necessary because I don't usually use this Zicare glow kit. I don't always use it because I'm a beginner, you understand? So if I'm perfect, if I start being a perfect makeup artist on my face, I'll start using this. But then this one I've been using it, you can see. So I think I got this one 2 years ago, so I can't really remember, but around 3k to 3.5 I got this one there. But right now you go don't cost. So I got this new and it's 3,000 naira. I got this new, which is my eyeshadow palette for a beginner like me, somebody that is just starting makeup. This is what I'm using for my eyeshadow. And this is a blush. Actually, my elder sister gave me this, but she buy new one, and I was there when she bought the new one, and the new one she bought was 12,000. She bought this new one for 12,000, but she gave me this. So if you want to buy something like this, just owe like 11 to 12,000, you get it. This is a powder I'm using for my color. So actually this powder I'll be using it now for like a year, and you can see it's not new anymore. So when I got this powder then, I think it's around 2,000. Yes, 2k, but right now let's say 3k or 3 ton something, or 4,000 right now in Nigeria. So that is for the powder and the blush. So let me show you the rest of what you need to have as a beginner makeup artist. So if you have any skincare product you are using, after your skincare, you are done with your skincare and you want to do makeup, you need a primer. You can see it, a primer. This primer right now is going around 8,000 to 9,000, in fact 10k, but it depends on the kind of primer you buy. So this is the one I have. So if you want to get that type, so this is my foundation I'm using right now, Zicare foundation. So this foundation is around 15,000 to 18,000, I think so. So this is the foundation I'm using. So this is another Zicare contour I'm using, another Zicare contour. If you watch my video, you'll see. So actually it's my elder sister that gave me this one, so I don't know how much she got it. So I think if you want it, you can go and get it. Just budget like 10k, but I don't think you can get up to 10k. This is a mascara, and this mascara, how much did I get this mascara? I think it's not even up to 1k. I got this mascara, it's not up to 1k. So you can also get this kind of mascara if you want to. This is a lipstick, red lipstick. You can see it. You can get a lipstick if you want to, but I know lipstick is not cost. You can get something cheaper for your lip. So this is a lip gloss and another other lipstick. So this lip gloss, I got this around 800, I think, or 1000. So it's same thing with this. So let's say this is around 2000. So I've been using this for like 2 years now, so I can't remember how much I got this, but for now you can get a cheaper eyeliner for 500, 800, or 1000. It depends on the kind of eye, and if you want to get an expensive one, it's fine by you. So this is our pencil. So pencil is not that cost. 500. This is a white, this is a brown. So this one and this one, I think they come together. This one and this one come together in a pack. So that's it. So I've been using this is an eyeliner, so I've been using it for so long. I can't remember how much I got it. So let's say I got this TV for 15. So guys, another thing you need to have is a wipe. It's not for your face, so you're not using it to clean makeup. Hope you have a makeup oil cleaner. This is a wipe, just for you to be cleaning maybe your brushes or whatever. If foundation or something stay in your hand, you don't need to be having tissue or one rag clothes. No, that is not good. It's not hygiene. So you just need to get a wipe. What I use to clean my makeup, this Dr. Rachel deep cleaning oil. This is what I use. So kindly get this to be cleaning your makeup also. So the last thing I'm going to show you guys is an eyelashes. You can get eyelashes any brand you want. These eyelashes is 5,000 naira. I got this for 5,000 naira. So you can get these eyelashes for 5,000 naira. You can get the one of 10,000, 15, 20,000. It depends on the kind of brand you want. I got this for 5k. So eyelashes is also important in case if you are going for a wedding and you are doing your makeup yourself. So you just need to apply an eyelashes to make sure that your makeup is pumping out. Get this. So that is what I'm using for my makeup right now. So if I said we should calculate everything together, it's not up to 30 to 40k thousand. So you can also start on it today by doing makeup on your face. You don't need to go and spend 50k, 80k, 100k just you want to go out for a party or a birthday party or a wedding and you want a kwaja makeup. So you just got all these things for 30 to 40,000 and you start doing your makeup today. So on my below channel you start seeing my makeup video. Please kindly click subscribe button and like and turn on the notification setting whenever I'm posting my makeup video to see how I started. Me too, I'm a beginner like you, so I don't know much in makeup, but my elder sister, she's a makeup artist, teach me some aspect of how I can just be applying a little makeup on my face. So that's what I'll be doing the video for. I'll be posting it for beginners like me as well, so we can also teach each other how to do this makeup. So thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you next time on my video. See you guys. Bye.